Right then, it's that time of the week. We're going to do a nice healthy dish, and what we're going to do is we're going to do the lentil and aubergine stew, and the recipe is there from the Ottolenghi simple cook, something like this. Really nice, really healthy. It's a vegan dish this, and the core ingredients here is we've got the 2 aubergines which we're going to slice up. We've got a red onion which we're going to finely slice. We've got some shiitake mushrooms, and then we've got some pre-sliced cherry tomatoes, a little bit of fresh garlic. We haven't got the fresh herbs, but we're going to use oregano and thyme. We've got some nice sea salt, some Greek natural yoghurt for the topping, and we've got some vegetable stock, and then we've got some beluga lentils which are from North America. They call them beluga because they have a similarity look to caviar. So first of all, we're going to slice up the veg. We're going to put some olive oil into, we're going to use a wok here. We're going to get that onto medium heat, and then we're just going to slice up the veg. So we're really going to finely slice the red onions. Just going to put that into a side bowl. Pan's now on a medium heat. I'm just going to slice up the aubergines into cubes. And put all that into just a bowl here, which is sufficient. Then what we're going to do now is we're going to add the red onions and just fry these off for 8 minutes. Also add some thyme and then some of the garlic. Right, so the red onions are pretty much done now, so we're just going to remove this. Just going to put all this into a little side bowl. Then what we're going to do now is we're going to add all the aubergines into here, and we're just going to season this with salt and pepper. Some salt. Then put this back onto heat. Onto a high heat just to begin with, and then just bring that down and simmer it just for like 10 minutes or so. What I really recommend with this is, preferably with it and not while cooking, is the Chenin Blanc and Grenache Blanc, which is really nice. It's a Billy Bosch reserve dish from South Africa. Really nice, actually. Really nice. It's almost, you know, reminiscent of grapefruit. That is really nice. Just cuts through, lovely, lovely jubbly. Right, so just setting all this to the side, doing a bit of prepping up. I'm also going to slice up the mushrooms. The mushrooms aren't actually in this recipe, but it does go very well with it. I really like this chopping board by Joseph. It's just really handy how you can split it into 2, sort of put it in like that. Right, so while that's all frying off, we're just preparing the liquids for this. What you've got to bear in mind is it's asking for 450 ml of water. But I'm already adding ½ litre of the vegetable stock, and I'm also adding 100 ml of some white wine. So yes, that's coming in use, not just drinking it while I'm going along. Keith Floyd style, yes. So I'm going to drip feed the water to this because these lentils have actually been pre-cooked. Meanwhile, these will fry off quite nicely. I've added the mushrooms to the side here. And all this is nicely softening now, so I'm just going to blend all that in. That's all going to reduce down now quite nicely. And then this is the point when we're going to add the red onions and the garlic back to the mixture. And then pretty much what we're going to do then is we're going to create the stew by adding the fluids. Add this back. Clearly see here, it's all frying off nicely. It's looking really lovely, vibrant colours here. These are the kind of dishes I'm really looking at, eating at the moment. Lots of vegetables, lots of onions, lots of broccoli, lots of garlic. It's all been proven to be really good for your immune system. So now we're going to add the lentils. We'll bring this back over here. It's kind of done in 2 stages. This prep your veg up, and cook it all off. You've got your dry mixture there. And what we're simply going to do is we're just going to add the vegetable stock, which I bought pre-packaged, but you can obviously do it yourself. I'm just going to pour that. The technique is always do it on the outside. Then of course, a little splash of the white. And then what we're going to do now is I'm just going to simmer that. So this is gently stewing along now. I've done that for 10 minutes now, but I need to do it for another half an hour. So Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
So just putting that on the 2 and I'm going to let that simmer. So while that's been stewing, we've got another 20 minutes left. I've just opened a lovely bottle of red here. So Grand Villa Reserve 2015. Not an expensive wine. But that while waiting, I've done all the duties and done all the washing up and putting away. So while that's stewing there, I've just prepped up everything on the side. So you can use some creme fraiche, but I'm going to use some Greek style yoghurt, which is quite nice. That's just to put on top. We've got some oregano, and we've also got the cherry tomatoes, which I've already done in advance. So once that's done, I'm going to lay that on top of there, and then I'm going to spread some of the cherry tomatoes over the top. This is best served at room temperature or just slightly warm. Yeah, really looking forward to it. Wow, really nice, really well structured that, with cherry notes and dried fruits. Yeah, an edge of spice, a bit of fresh plum in there as well. Right then, I think it's all done now. So this has been simmering gently. We're going to transfer this in here. That fits just absolutely perfectly. Put this marinade over the top. Tomatoes. This sort of goes really well with this. What you'd actually do when you serve it is you scoop it up, you put it into a nice serving bowl, and you dollop a bit of the creme fraiche or Greek style yoghurt on. Really hope you're liking the show. Please subscribe. Please also look at all the other videos we've got. There's also a cocktail channel. Every Friday at 5:30 I release a happy hour cocktail, Hibby's happy hour. But this is something really, trying to really inspire healthy eating, in particular vegan food, vegetarian food. And here we have the aubergine and lentil stew, which is absolutely fantastic. Enjoy.